I've used all four of these frames over the past 6 years. I have a very good idea of what they can do, what I like about them, what I don't like about them, and hopefully this will help you in choosing a frame for your business. This is Autel's 600 frame. I would describe it as entry level. Great price point. It's portable. It comes apart. You can stick it in your trunk if you wanted to. So there's a lot of advantages to it. It helps us to put the target more accurately in three-dimensional space. But this frame is just meant to hold targets, and you need to be very precise and accurate in doing measurements because you're going to be doing a lot of measurements on the floor. Although it gives you levels and other measurement devices to help you place that target perfectly, we're doing a lot of those adjustments. We're moving the targets, we're cranking up and down. And I use these adjustable feet to change my pitch and roll. So I have to come up, see where my bubble's at, come down, turn a few more, come back up, take a look at it. If you're someone that is of an advanced age like myself, if you have bad knees, if you're overweight and it's hard to get down on the ground and back up again multiple times in one calibration, it might not be the frame for you. Many glass companies find this desirable because all they're doing is calibrating the front windshield camera. I'd recommend this to definitely someone mobile because it has no electronics on it, no cameras, no lasers. It can take a little bit more of a beating. If you have people that are not precise, they're sloppy, they're dropping plumb bobs and they don't care where the mark is, this is not the frame for you. You have to do a lot of measurement and the measurement has to be accurate. If you also want to do alignments, this is not the frame to look into. Anyone that just wants to start out and is willing to take on a decent body of work to get started, this is the frame for you. But I would always say this is a frame for you in the beginning, because if you're good at it, you're going to want to be moving up to another frame that saves you time. With the 900, I can get 8 to 10 cars done a day. With the 600, I'm probably cutting that in half, 3 or 4 cars a day, because there's just a lot more work I'm going to be doing on the ground. So if you're still unsure what frame would work for your company right now, feel free to go to our website, reach out to us, we'll answer all your questions. Whatever you decide, we're going to make sure you're successful. We're going to offer you some training, we're going to offer you continued tech support. We want to see you succeed.